Okay, we're going to show how to code in Desmos a solid that's being generated by rotating around the y-axis. And we'll set up, this one is a region, so we have two parametric curves. So we'll do u to the third cosine of v. We're going to use two parametric, whoops, u to the third times cosine v, u to the third times sine v. And we have these two parametric variables, 0, we'll let u go from 0 to 2. And then v is going to go from 0 to b, and b is going to be the thing that's rotating it. So we'll go 0 to 2 pi. And we'll go forward, slow it down a little bit. Okay, so that's our top curve, which is actually the function y equals x to the 1/3. And then our bottom one will be the line y equals 1/4 x. So the way that we code this is for u cosine of v, u for u sine v. And u goes from 0 to 2 again, v goes from 0 to b. And we'll make this purple. Okay, so these curves are going to be rotating around. And then this is the solid that's generated. And you can see how it's being generated, either that way or this way. So one thing to note is that the region that's being rotated around the y-axis is bounded by the curves y equals x to the 1/3, or y equals cube root of x, and y equals 1/4 times x, that line. So one thing to note is that the region that's being rotated around the y-axis is bounded by the curves y equals x to the 1/3, or y equals cube root of x, and y equals 1/4 times x, that line.